Here with the new, okay? They have a new wig that I'm excited to try out. I have not opened up the box, okay? So everything's still wrapped up. Go ahead and take everything out. Your unit comes in this little bag. And then of course you get the company's elastic band with their logo on it. You get a wig cap and you get the details of the unit that you bought. And then they also put in here your little bag that you can store your unit in once you are done wearing it. But let's go ahead and open up this unit. Now this is what the cap construction looks like. You get a comb on each side. These combs are removable. Okay, so you can take them off. You'll get a removable comb in the nape area. You don't get an adjustable strap, but you do get your elastic drawstring. You also get this area right here to match your ear shape for a better fit. And this one is supposed to be snug and fit without glue. And you also get your wide and deeper parting space. It is on now, and you can see my cap. I'm gonna have to push this cap back a little bit, but this is how thin the front of the hairline is. So you wanna make sure that your cap is not looking too thick, but this is the parting space area. And you can actually go back even further. It's definitely giving you scalp. They did a really good job with bleaching those knots. Definitely get a bit more parting, and this is about how far you can go over, and then you'll run into like a track right here. This is what your hairline looks like. I think I'm gonna have to really cut off anything as far as my sides go, because it's actually meeting up really nice by my sides. Sometimes I'll have to go in and just trim down a little bit, but this is like perfect. It has been sitting in the box for a few days, so I definitely need to kind of comb this out and get my curls together, but I am loving the length because it looks like it is perfect for every day. And then as far as the highlights aren't doing too much. I also like how they kind of face frame in the front, and you can also see just like a little bit of layers. Go ahead and get this unit together, and of course I'll be back to show you guys the final looks and also tell you guys my final thoughts.